Creativity, it's a spark, a feeling, a moment of inspiration. But sometimes, that spark just won't come. Meet Alex, a designer with a great imagination, but today, completely stuck. Enter Ada, the AI assistant, lightning fast, efficient, and ready to generate ideas in seconds. Looks impressive, right? But is creativity just about speed? Let's put that to the test. It's speed versus creativity. Round 1, speed. Can Alex keep up? And no contest. Ida takes the lead. But round 2, this one's about originality. Ida follows patterns. But Alex? Alex creates something new. But wait, something's missing. Ida can be fast. Ida can be precise. But can AI dream? Can AI feel? For now. Creativity isn't just about what we make, it's about why. Maybe it's not about AI versus humans. Maybe it's about AI and humans. And so, they did. AI isn't here to replace creativity. It's here to enhance it, because the future of creativity, it's not one or the other, it's both.